I'd say take 4 of these to fill up this. Second thing to look for are these letters, NCTM. That's the National Council of Teachers of Math. Products with those kind of materials will help teachers teach probability in a visual way. There are many interesting ways to see the world. You can look at it with all sorts of wonder. There's math all over the place. Look at how these waves are coming in. They come in at an angle. So there's an angle that we can look at. What can I give you in the next 5 minutes that will help you for the next 50 years of your life? What should students learn? Not necessarily what's in the curriculum. And I like to focus with all of my teaching. I'd like to make sure that students know about hydroplaning. That's where there's a little bit of water on top of a road. And when it rains, it gets very slippery. Washing hands at least every hour. And don't be afraid to not shake hands with someone, because that's how germs are passed. There are differences between people. My niece was so appreciative to know what are the basic differences between male brains and female brains. One way to know that male brains tend to be a bit more visual. They're great at throwing things and hitting targets, okay? Knowing these differences, knowing that some people are very sequential, and they like to know one thing step by step. Other people like to have the big picture and then go step by step. Some people don't want to look at the instructions. They want to just get ahead and start making something. Let's go, we can talk on the way. We'll figure it out. Other people like to know the plan ahead. So when you speak to visitors, be ready. You might need to have a second plan. Using a pen and paper, are you able to make a map of your surrounding area? If you meet somebody in the street who says, "Where is the library?" Can you pull out a piece of paper? Do you carry paper with you? Can you pull out some paper and help that person find the thing he needs? That's the question here. Finally, how much do you know about the geography and the cultures of other peoples? It's an ongoing thing. I'm always learning something new, and I encourage you to make it a lifelong effort. What is that behind us anyway? It's not Egypt, but it is a pyramid with what kind of a base? Yeah, it's a square base. Where can you go to get a good online experience for SAT prep and practice with math and vocabulary? Number2.com. This site, Number2.com, comes with a free vocabulary builder. This is teachers2teachers.com. You'll find word to cell phone. You'll also find some links to SAT pages. And there's a page on learning styles.